What we do is, we look into the Quran, to the Sunnah. Do we have any cure? Do we have any treatment for solving this problem, for uplifting this evil eye? And the answer is yes, we do. The Sunnah is clear. The Prophet ﷺ visited Sahl ibn Hanif, may Allah be pleased with him, when he fell sick. So he asked around, do you accuse anyone of giving him the evil eye so that he would fall sick like this? And they said yes. He was washing his body, and a companion saw him, and he was amazed by the clarity and beauty of his skin. So he said, giving him the evil eye, unintentionally of course, because evil eye does not come intentionally. He said, I have never seen such soft skin, as if it's the skin of a virgin. Of course, both of them are men, and both of them are true natural men. They don't have any inclination towards homosexuality, may Allah forbid, like sick people do today. But he was amazed by, seriously, the softness of the skin. And Sahl ibn Hanif fell on the ground, and he was sick on the spot. So when they told the Prophet ﷺ, he was very angry. And he said to that companion, why does one of you attempt to kill his brother by giving him evil eye? Wouldn't you have said, Allahumma barik, or Allahumma barik lahu, or barakallahu laka, which all is stemmed from blessings of Allah. Then the Prophet ordered him to do something, and this is the best cure for the evil eye, if you know who gave it to you. The Prophet ordered him to perform ablution and to wash the inside of his garment, his waist wrapper, his thobe, his shirt, his trousers, the inside of it that touches his body, to wash it, and the water all is collected in a vessel. Then he ordered them to throw the water over the head of the affected person. In some narrations, from behind him. So he stands in the bathroom, someone from behind him gives him a bath or throws it on top of his head and his body. The hadith goes on to say, Sahal instantly stood up as if nothing had been wrong with him. So this is the best form of treatment for evil eye.